It's not often you're excited to talk about vacuums, but in today's video, that's exactly what we're going to do. I'm Brian Usick from How To Automotive, and stay tuned for that. With the hose attached to it, we can vacuum all the dirt and debris around, and then we can get down into the ports and vacuum any debris that has fallen down in the ports on all of them and get it really nice and clean. So in this video, I'm going to be showing off the new Milwaukee Tools dual battery M18 fuel wet dry vacs here. So these vacuums were probably most likely designed for construction cleanup and stuff like that, and I'm sure they do an awesome job with that. But here at How To Automotive, we work on cars, so I'm going to show you these vacuums in the car world. So we're going to be doing it to detail some cars. We're going to be cleaning engine bays, all kinds of stuff. And one of the cool things I'm excited about is all the insane amount of accessories. So we're going to highlight some of the freedom that a cordless vacuum gives you, and also some of the accessories that they offer. So come with me and we'll head out into the shop now. Okay, so we got the lower intake out of our way, and now we can see our oil filter housing. But before we start tackling that, what we need to do is clean up all this debris here, you see here. So if we don't get this debris out and it falls down in the engine, it can cause big problems. So we need to work on getting this out of the cylinder heads, and we need to clean that out before we tackle that, one, so no more debris falls in, and two, we get all that out. So I have a solution for you to get that out. So what I use to get it out is a shop vac like this. So right here is my Milwaukee M18 shop vac. It runs off of battery power, no cords needed, but that's not the real trick here. The real trick is some of the accessories that they have, and I'll show you. So with this accessory kit that works on any vacuum, it doesn't matter what brand it is. You can take these hoses here and adapt it to your shop vac here, like this here. So I got the hose hooked up to the adapter hooked up to the hose here. And with the hose attached to it, we can vacuum all the dirt and debris around, and then we can get down into the ports and vacuum any debris that has fallen down in the ports on all of them and get it really nice and clean. So like I said, they have a ton of accessories. They have accessories for automotive detailing. They have accessories for the construction side. And then there's accessories that you can use for whatever you want to use them for. They refer to them as air tips is what they call them. And they also offer carrying bags to keep everything nice and organized, as you can see right here. The case that Milwaukee has come up with has two zipper pockets where it holds quite a few accessories on each side of the pocket here. So Milwaukee thinks about the storage side of it. You're able to roll the hose up and it has spots where you can clip it onto and keep everything organized. Also, the accessory bag is also designed to clip and store on the actual vacuum itself, making it easy and convenient to keep it all together in one spot. So you can also get these in different sizes. So you got the dual battery version that you see here, what offers quite a few storage containers where you can get a 6-gallon, 9-gallon, or a 12-gallon here. They're very easy to operate as far as taking them apart and emptying them. As you can see, it has a base that has caster wheels on it, so you can roll it around. It also has spaces where you can plug in accessories, hose extensions and stuff like that. Operating the vacuum is very simple. There's a few little clips to pop it off the lower base here and also put it back on. Filter changes are easy. Filter cleaning is easy. It's a reusable filter, so you can get quite a few uses out of them. I used it to suck out some insulation in my attic here. So the maintenance side of the vacuum is pretty straightforward and easy to use. So all the hoses use twist locks, and the base and everything are just clips that clip it on. So one of the reasons why I was excited to get the vacuum is I have a Jeep and I take it out, and there's a ton of dust when it comes to off-roading, and the interior of my Jeep gets hammered. So Milwaukee makes accessories that are perfect for working in the automotive detailing side. This one here has brushes that can slide up and down. They're reversible. They have a hard brush and a soft brush. So the dual battery version that I'm using here puts out 4.25 horsepower, which is more powerful than most corded vacuums out there. Now my Jeep was extremely dusty and dirty from taking it out on a trip, and I had it running for a good 30 minutes, and I still had plenty of battery left in there. They say that on full power, it gets around 34 minutes of peak power usage, and then if you put it on low, which I don't know why anybody would run a vacuum on low, it'll go up to 49 minutes. So one of my favorite accessories that Milwaukee makes is this. Is what they call the air tips here, and they're just different assortment of hoses that you can use to like stick down inside the e-brake right here, or in between the seats, and suck out debris and dirt. It comes with a whole bunch of different sizes, short ones, long ones, skinny ones. So it comes with an adapter to allow you to adapt it to any vacuum hose out there, even if it's not a Milwaukee brand. This little device just goes in, quarter turn locks on there, then you can go ahead and stick it on your hose. Stick it on your hose. Now you can get in there and vacuum all in the cracks of the seats, whatever you need to do to get the vehicle clean. One of my favorite accessories. If you're considering adding a shop vac to your collection, I would highly recommend the Milwaukee. I'm Brian Nissen from How to Automotive. Thank you guys for watching and encourage you to subscribe.